The Amish have mastered the art of staying cool during summer without relying on modern air conditioning or electric fans. Their approach is a blend of smart home design, strategic habits, and an intimate understanding of nature's rhythms. While most modern homes turn into ovens under the summer sun, Amish families remain comfortable through methods that are both practical and sustainable. Smart home design, Amish homes, are built with functionality and thermal efficiency in mind, rather than aesthetics or maximizing space. Walls are constructed to be exceptionally thick, sometimes up to 8 inches, using dense materials like heavy timber, thick wood planks, and stone foundations. These materials create what engineers call thermal mass, which absorbs heat slowly and releases it gradually. This natural insulation keeps the interior cool during the day and traps cool nighttime air well into the morning. Unlike modern homes with thin drywall, Amish walls act as thermal buffers. During peak heat, these walls are still processing the morning sun's warmth, meaning they don't start warming up inside until the sun has already moved on. The result? On a 95 degrees Fahrenheit day, the inside of an Amish home typically stays between 80 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, a difference of 5 to 10 degrees that makes a significant impact on comfort. This system doesn't rely on artificial insulation like foam boards or fiberglass. Instead, solid, dense materials naturally stabilize indoor temperatures. The simplicity of this design means no moving parts, no electricity, and no maintenance, just smart building practices that work with nature. Strategic window management. Even with thick walls, airflow is crucial for cooling. The Amish have perfected window management to maximize natural ventilation. South-facing windows are tightly closed during daylight hours to block direct sunlight, while north-facing or shaded windows are cracked open to allow cross-ventilation. Cool air enters through shaded windows, flows through the house, and pushes warm air out through upper-floor openings. Timing is key. During the hottest part of the day, most windows stay shut to keep scorching air outside. As the sun sets and temperatures drop, south-facing windows are opened to let evening breezes flow through. Upper-floor windows play a special role as hot air rises and escapes upward, pulling cooler air from lower levels. This natural circulation keeps houses comfortable without needing electric fans. Summer kitchens, keeping heat outside, cooking generates significant heat. Turning kitchens into saunas on hot days, modern homes combat this by cranking up the AC. But the Amish solved this problem long ago by moving their kitchens outdoors during warmer months. Summer kitchens are separate structures equipped with wood-burning stoves, preparation areas, and storage space. These spaces keep cooking heat away from living areas, ensuring the main house stays cool. Summer kitchens also offer practical benefits beyond temperature control. They reduce fire risks during dry months, provide ample ventilation for cooks, and serve as gathering spots for family members working on food preservation projects. Some even double as workshops for other heat-generating tasks, like sewing or woodworking. Landscaping for cooling. Smart landscaping further enhances cooling. Trees aren't planted randomly, they're strategically positioned to maximize shade. West-facing walls get the most coverage, blocking brutal afternoon sun. Deciduous trees on the south side lose leaves in winter, allowing sunlight in when needed and regrow them in summer for shade. Grapevines and climbing plants trained along walls act as living curtains, cooling the air through transpiration, water evaporation. Bushes and shrubs near windows and foundation walls create pockets of cool air drawn into the house during ventilation. Together, these elements form microclimates around the property that can be several degrees cooler than surrounding areas. Though planting trees requires long-term planning, their cooling benefits last for generations. Basements as summer retreats. Underground spaces naturally stay cool year-round, and Amish families turn their basements into summer refuges. When temperatures climb above 85 degrees Fahrenheit, basements become the center of family life. The temperature difference is remarkable. While it might be 95 degrees Fahrenheit outside, basements typically hover around 55 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit without any mechanical cooling. This happens because soil temperatures 6 feet underground remain relatively constant throughout the year. During heat waves, entire families migrate downstairs for meals, conversation, and even sleeping. Upper floor windows play a key role here as hot air rises and escapes upward, pulling cooler air from lower levels. This natural circulation keeps houses comfortable at no cost. Shutters and curtains, precision cooling tools. Even with thick walls, airflow is essential for cooling. The Amish have turned window management into an art form. South-facing windows are closed tightly during daylight hours to block the sun's direct rays, while north-facing windows or shaded ones are cracked open to allow cross-ventilation. Cool air enters through shaded windows, flows through the house, and pushes warm air out through upper-floor openings. This creates a continuous flow of air without needing electric fans. Timing is crucial. During peak heat, most windows stay shut to keep scorching air outside. But as the sun sets and temperatures drop, south-facing windows are opened to let evening breezes flow through. Upper-floor windows play a key role here, as hot air rises and escapes upward, pulling cooler air from lower levels. This natural circulation keeps houses comfortable at no cost. Attached buildings as thermal shields. Amish home design includes a clever trick. Attached buildings like barns, pantries, and utility rooms are strategically placed to absorb heat before it reaches the main living areas. These structures act as thermal shields, taking the brunt of the sun's punishment while protecting the family spaces behind them. Barns are often positioned on the west or south sides of the house, where the afternoon sun hits hardest. This placement means the barn takes the full force of those brutal light day rays, while the house stays in relative shade. Pantries and mudrooms serve a similar protective function on a smaller scale, trapping hot air at entry points before it can flow into the main living areas. Avoiding heat-generating appliances, heat sources inside homes work against every cooling strategy, which explains why Amish families avoid electric appliances that pump warmth into living spaces. Televisions, electric dryers, computers, and even light bulbs generate heat, turning kitchens into saunas on hot days. By skipping these devices, Amish households eliminate this problem entirely, maintaining a naturally lower baseline temperature. Kitchen appliances like electric stoves, microwaves, and dishwashers also add warmth to homes. The Amish avoid this by using wood-burning stoves in summer kitchens and washing dishes by hand. Without these heat-generating appliances, their homes maintain steadier temperatures throughout the day, feeling more comfortable and requiring less adjustment. Natural flooring for cooling. Stone floors work like massive cooling batteries, helping regulate temperature throughout the day. Many Amish homes feature stone, brick, or unfinished wood floors that stay much cooler than carpeted surfaces. These materials absorb heat slowly during the day and release it gradually at night, creating a natural temperature regulation system. The temperature difference between natural flooring and carpeted floors can be dramatic during hot weather. Stone floors often stay 10 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit, cooler than the air temperature in shaded rooms, providing instant relief when bare feet make contact. Brick and unfinished wood floors offer similar benefits. During summer months, many families roll up rugs to expose the maximum amount of natural flooring surface, enhancing cooling. Water-based cooling techniques. When temperatures become unbearable despite passive cooling methods, water provides the final solution. Placing buckets of cold well water near open windows creates a natural air conditioning effect as air flows over the water surface and picks up moisture. Wet cloths soaked in cold water and applied to pulse points like wrists, necks, and ankles provide immediate relief. Splashing cold water on faces, hands, and feet also cools the body quickly. Bathing in streams, ponds, or hand-pumped water becomes a daily ritual during extreme heat waves. Outdoor baths serve both cleaning and cooling purposes, making hot afternoons bearable. In a world chasing complex solutions, their way is a quiet reminder that simple can still be smarter.